Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with Corey. Today we're going to do a chorizo sweet potato hash, a breakfast hash, kind of breakfasty. It's going to be delicious. Let's do our shout outs for the day. Let's get those out of the way right away. Here we go. Jack's Drink Water. Great channel. Go check him out. Just did a nice nacho today. I watched it this morning. It looked delicious. Hey Mom, what's for supper? Go check Holly out over there. I watched some more of her vids this morning. She did a couple beef vids and one vid this morning, and she just dropped a sandwich vid and a stuffed burger vid. Both looked wonderful. And if you follow around, she's got a great chicken fajita recipe. It's down there a ways, but it's delicious. She roasts the vegetables and it looks good. Mama Julie cooks, so go check Julie out. Her last one she did was a Greek lemon soup, which looked phenomenal. So go check her channel out. She's got a lot of great stuff there. And my last one for this time around, Mr. Mega Fred Zeppelin. Go check him out. He's got some good stuff over there. Last one I think he had was some barbecue chicken. So go check that out. He smoked it on his kettle. Hey, let's get this cook on next on Cooking with Corey. Alright everyone, our ingredients today are as follows. Snow peas, poblano pepper, some green onion, some eggs, some white onion, some red bell pepper, Yukon Gold potato, a sweet potato, got some delicious chorizo, and some Asiago cheese. And you will see Pepto Bismol here because my girlfriend of 15 years is a smartass, and she went to the dentist, and I was out in the dining room writing down my shouts, and she put this on my board. But you know what? I'm just going to leave it there. We're not going to put it in the dish, but I'm just going to leave it there. You know, hey, she obviously wanted to say you might need Pepto after making this recipe. I don't know. But there it is. Those are our ingredients. We'll get cooking next. Alright, let's get this deliciousness going on here. Got a little bit of oil. Medium high heat right now. Our sweet potato and our Yukon Gold potato go in there. That's the beginning of our hash. Obviously that's a layer. So flavor layers. So there is some salt. And pepper. And just so I keep getting it in the shot, I just wanted to let you know you might be needing this after this. That's what Jen says. So there you are. We'll be back. Alright guys, we got it covered. We're cooking along here. These are just our potatoes. And cooking them through, folks. It's gonna be probably around, I don't know, 7-10 minutes. We're back. Add our flavors to it. Alright peeps, we've made it like probably around 7 minutes. And here's where we're at. I've turned the heat down. The potatoes are getting there. They're al dente. They got a little bite to them. Let's add some butter to this mix now. We're done with the heavy heat now, so let's add our flavorings. Just going with our garlic, our poblano peppers, our delicious onion, and our red bell, and our delicious snow peas. That's all going in there. All going into the potty now. The reason we couldn't do that before is because we obviously had to cook the potatoes through, so you know that kind of mess with how we usually grill something. So a little bit more oil in there, and obviously add a flavoring. So we got to add some salt and pepper. And there we go. All right, we're just going to cook that through a little bit. We're going to add our chorizo, then we're going to add some eggs, and hey, this delicious hash is really close to being done, guys. All right, peeps, we're back. It's time to add some chorizo to our delicious hash we got going on here. My impeccably clean hands got this impeccably delicious chorizo. This is made here in Lincoln, Nebraska by a small private company. I'll tell you what, it's second to none. So if you want to get a hold of it, get a hold of me and I will send you information of how you can get a hold of it. Or I can just buy it for you and you can pay me and send it back. Anyway, there's the adding of our chorizo to the mix. And we'll give it a little toss here. And we're looking good. I mean, look at those flavors. Look at that. Sizzle, flavors, colors. Think of everything that's going on right there. Hey, we still got a couple more layers of flavors. We got eggs to add. We got some green onions to add on the end. And obviously, we're going to throw a little cheese into the mix. All right, we'll be back. All right, peeps. I think we have achieved deliciousness here, and I'm not going to lie because this is excellent. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about how good this dish is. It's really good. You need to try it. You know, make it your own. Add your own flavorings that you like to add to it. Right now, I'm going to lower the heat just a little bit more and get everything level in my pan. And I'm going to add 1 egg. And 2 eggs to that little party there. And we added eggs. So what do? We season the egg. So a little bit of salt and fresh cracked pepper. Now what we do, put the lid on this. Turn the heat down to way low. And we wait for that egg white to cook through. It won't be long, folks. We'll be back. All right. So you guys got it. The yolk did break because when I jiggled it, but, you know, that's okay. Still okay. So we're going to add a little bit of flavoring to this, a little bit more. We're going to add some Asiago cheese to the mix here. Heck yeah. Who doesn't like Asiago cheese? And some fresh cut scallions, green onions, whatever you're, I don't know, whatever you guys call them, wherever you're from. And with parsley. Alright guys, there you have it. There is our hash. Sweet potato chorizo hash. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Cooking with Corey, so you guys can make some deliciousness like this at home. Make it your own. Add your flavorings to it. Alright guys, we'll be back. Maybe tomorrow, maybe next week. Don't forget, again, like, share, and subscribe to Cooking with Corey. Bye peeps. Alright everyone, our ingredients today are as follows. we got some Stopies. Oh crap.